If you're trying to buy a house in the Chicago suburbs on a budget, this is the kind of home you're probably going to see. And there are a few things you need to know. Hi, it's Jamie Herring with Coldwell Banker, and this house is just 864 square feet. But it's one of the cutest houses I've seen in this price range. Let's take a look. Okay, here you walk in. Here's the front door. You walk in, and here's the living room. It has hardwood floors. Really big windows. And what's interesting, here's a funny story. They had a giant china cabinet in front of the fireplace. So when we were here, I didn't even notice there was a fireplace. And then the owner told Angie, my stager, she's like, yeah, we should probably move the china cabinet because it blocks the fireplace. And I was like, what fireplace? So yes, we had them move with the big china cabinet. So now you can actually see there's a fireplace. They haven't used it. And then we have the kitchen. There's a little table that serves as an island. It's been redone. There's quartz counters. Nice. It's not big, but could you cook here? Yes. It'd be a great first home or first home for someone who wants to live, on one level. Kind of see the yard through the window. It's really big. And there's a detached garage right over there. Then if I open this door, you can see the washer and dryer and the furnace. Everything's been replaced, so that's nice. You're coming into a house with a new furnace, AC, washer and dryer. And if you look, the water heater, the age for a water heater is always on the tag unless it's ancient, and that is from 2019. So everything's in good shape. All the mechanicals are good. There's no basement. Here's the other view. Okay, let's go see the bedrooms. Here's the master bedroom. So a big closet over there. Hardwood floors in here as well. Here's the bathroom. It's also been remodeled. So it's cute. Nice tile. I like that large format tile. That's really popular right now. Flooring and the walls. I'm not a huge fan of the glass mosaic, but because it's neutral, I don't think it ends up being a deterrent. It looks nice. Okay, and then here's the other bedroom. Also hardwood floors. They're about the same size. So nice bedroom. They both have closets. I won't show you those because that's the part that people always clean last. And then, what's in here? Oh, more linen, closet, books, whatever you need to use for. Here's, I don't know, an alcove of some sort. We just staged it. So that is the tour, guys. So this house is in Grayslake, Illinois. It's in a subdivision called The Manor, which has a voluntary HOA, which has like a small pond, lake, and a small beach area. And we're asking $269,900. So if you're interested in this house or any house in the Chicago suburbs, reach out to me and I can help you.